Namaste, welcome to Shakti Yoga with Shaili. I am Shaili. Today I have a question for you. Do you have a bunion? That bony bump at the base of your big toe? If your answer is yes, stay and watch this video. Now, a bunion develops over a period of time, and for most of us, it is pain free, which is why we tend to ignore it. But should we ignore it? The answer is no. Can we reverse it? Again, the answer is no. But can we do something to reduce its ill effects? Absolutely yes. So if you have a bunion, first of all, start wearing wider shoes and watch this video till the end so you know what is to be done. These stretches can be easily performed while you are seated on the floor or on the chair. We will start with the right foot. We are going to interlock the fingers of our right hand between the right toes. So depending on how close or how tight your toes are, you might need some assistance of the other hand as well. So lock your fingers between your toes and then squeeze your toes firmly. You really want to use the muscles in your toes. Hold it for 5 to 6 seconds and then we will hold the toes with the left hand. So interlocking the fingers between the right toes from the other side now. Like I said, you might need some assistance of the other hand. And this time we are going to press the fingers really firmly between the toes. Hold it. We are trying to bring some gap between the toes, which because of the bunion, the toes start pressing into each other. So you really want to bring that gap that was originally there. Now from here, use the first two fingers and thumb of your left hand. Wrap your fingers on the inside of the big toe and place your thumb on the bunion. Now with your thumb, you press the bunion in and with your fingers, you push your big toe out. So pressing the bunion, pushing the big toe out. Third time. Keep going. One more time we'll do it. And this time we will hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. And let's do it on the other side now. So the left foot. Now with the right hand, you interlock your right hand fingers between the left toes and then firmly grip your fingers with the help of your toes. Nicely done. We hold it for 5 to 6 seconds. You can gradually increase the duration. Release it. And now with the left hand, interlock your fingers between the toes and this time the fingers are going to be firmly pressing into the toes. Stay there, hold it. Nice. Release. And now the first two fingers of your right hand and the thumb. So placing the fingers on the inside of the big toe and the thumb on the bunion. You know the movement. We press the bunion in and we pull the big toe out. 2. Do it the third time and hold it for a count of 5. Nice. Now release. For the next movement, we will need a pencil. Place this pencil at the base of your toes, curl your toes over it and hold the pencil there for 5 to 6 seconds. Just like that, without the use of your hands. Let your toes do all the work. We will be strengthening the muscles in the inner arch with this exercise. Let's do it on the other side, placing the pencil at the base of the toes, curling the toes over it and hold it for a count of 5. Nicely done. Most of the people with bunion tend to shift their weight on the inside, reducing the inner arch, which leads to flat feet, or they shift the weight on the outside, increasing the arch. Because of this incorrect placement, we either walk with our big toes pointing inwards, called the penguin walk, or we point our toes outwards like this, called duck walk. We need to ditch the incorrect practices and we must learn the correct alignment. We need to keep our feet parallel to each other. We must feel the base of our toes and heels firmly on the ground, distributing the weight equally between the 2 points. So, we learned 3 important things. First of all, we have to stand with our feet parallel. Second, we need to wear shoes that are wider. Third, practice the stretches that we discussed in this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel Shakti Yoga with Shaili. I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care.